Right, welcome to another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're here showcasing Falcon. Now, this is Falcon Investments. It's another crypto staking platform which has been going for over 165 days. Now, this platform only has one package available, which is 150 ROI. So that's 150% over 30 days. Now, these 30 days are not weekdays. This includes weekends. So 30 straight days, you will receive 150% of your investment. Now, I must say, not a lot of these sort of platforms have been able to stand the test of time most recently, and this platform is unique in the sense that it will receive parts of your investment with your payments on a daily basis. So over the course of 30 days, you will receive your capital as well. So again, guys, this platform has been going for 165 days. I've been in this platform for about 60 days. That means I've been involved with it for 2 cycles. I'm nearing the end of my 2nd cycle. That means I've basically got 100% of my investment out. I'm currently using or enjoying house money within this platform. Nice feature I must say that I like to use when I am in Falcon Invest is switching this across to dark. I like the dark effect, so we'll continue this video in this dark interface. Guys, very quickly, I must say I'm very thankful for all your support, as these videos that we produce are courtesy of Crypto Weapon, and we obviously try and give you the most popular and most valued DeFi projects. If you're happy with this content and like the content, we absolutely appreciate it if you like and subscribe. We're a young channel. We got 221 subscribers, trying to get to that 300 mark, so that would be extraordinarily helpful if you could support the channel. Now, when it comes to Falcon, there is a link in the description with regards to this platform. If you think this is something that you want to get involved with, please click on the link and for free, and you can join the platform. Now, guys, if you go across to deposits, let's take a look at my current package. So I have been in this one for 29 days straight. My deposit was 300 USDT. I'm meant to hit 450 at the end of this, so I'm one more day away from a full cycle. Now, I do urge you guys to withdraw your profits at the end of a cycle, just so that you test it out and make sure it works. Now, I do my withdrawals every day. So if I go across to withdrawals, or better yet, account, as you can see, and I click on Tether, which is what I use to deposit, I've got 75 sitting in my account. I obviously haven't withdrawn for 5 days now. I haven't been into this account for 5 days. I just know that it's there. I know I can withdraw at any point, and it hasn't let me down in the past. So as you can see, 15, 15, 15, 15, and I haven't made a withdrawal yet. My last withdrawal was 30 USDT, and that was on August the 13th. So that goes to show I haven't been in this platform since, and it's obviously accumulated. Now I've got one more day, which will take this total to 90, which I'll receive tomorrow. But without any further ado, I'm going to make a withdrawal from this platform. Once I press withdraw, I click on Tether, because that is what I deposited in. I've got 75 there. Do I need to input the 75 there? No, it auto inputs the 75 USDT for you. All I need to do is type my in. And once that's typed in, I will just click withdraw. Never save that. Your application has been sent. So I should expect 75 to go through within 2 to 3 hours. Now, guys, tomorrow is a big day, as the cycle will be totally complete, and at that time I'll have a decision to make. Now, as far as I'm concerned, this platform has been hitting the mark day in, day out. I deposit, I forget about it, I come back, I withdraw. As you saw there, I've not withdrawn for 5 odd days. Now, if I go back to the account, or maybe deposits, I will have a decision to make tomorrow as to how much I'm going to go back in. I've obviously profited 150 within the last 30 days, and I'm going to stay on this platform and ride it out until it is gone. And now, by the looks of it, it doesn't look like it's going anywhere anytime soon. So I'm very happy with Falcon Investments. And guys, all you need is 3 or 4 of these sort of platforms. You get in with your 300, you make a profit of 150, you go back in a second cycle with 150, and you're done with the platform. You're using house money, and you're profiting here on in. Now, I've been in this platform for 2 cycles. This is my 2nd cycle. And if I go across to account and Tether, so this is a representation of how much money I have invested in this instance. After tomorrow, this will go down to 0, as I'll have nothing invested, and then I'll have to make an investment. And this is the money I've earned. So I've obviously earned this amount of money, but this actual 810 includes the monies I've invested in the past. So I've invested 250 in my 1st cycle, and then 300. So in total, I've invested 550 in this package, and everything above and beyond the 550 is what I've gained. So guys, I hope that is clear to you. This is Falcon Investments, going strong, no issues. Again, guys, as you saw me when I did my withdrawal, I had a security code in there. Make sure your security is heightened. Please do Do your due diligence when it comes to these platforms, as crypto is devilish when it comes to hackers and things of that nature. Now, on that note, guys, like, subscribe, all of that would be appreciated, and I'll certainly see you in the next video.